Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Abbas from Karachi, Pakistan, and this is CS50 final project. My project name is SBP Exchange Rates Data. The story behind this is our we have a central bank is State Bank of Pakistan as known as SBP. SBP provides daily basis of exchange data like in this format. I have a Google Sheet like this where I have updated all my exchange rates from State Bank of Pakistan to this Google Sheet from 1st September 2021 to till date, and I am updating daily on daily basis. So I have created project so any user can convert their currency from any currency to any currency, and also they can view detailed dataset from a Google Sheet. So first let me show you currency converter. If I click here, I got the user form where I have three options to choose. First, I can choose any date from this range. First this to this. Let me choose 20 December, and from currency I can choose any currency from this menu. Let me choose USD, and to currency I can choose any currency from this menu. I am choosing my local currency PKR. I am choosing, I can type any amount in decimal or not, and let me for example writing 1.2. I have three buttons: convert, detail view, or back to home. I want to convert this currency. I click convert. I got this result. Again I have three options: convert again. If I click there, I will go back to my user form. If I click detail view, I will go to my detail data set, and if I click to back to home, I will go back to my home page. Let me show you detail view. Detail view, I have published my all data set from Google Sheet to there, so if any student or any researcher can use these data sets in their research. In the last, again I have two buttons: currency converter or back to home, and from this I go back to my home page. Thank you.